Good morning. How you doing? So it is. Sorry, I have to be really quiet right now. Actually woke up early, 7:02. I'm going to be going to the gym right now at 7:30. I'm actually going to be going to the gym right now at 7:30. It's 7:02. Can't wait. I did not vlog all day yesterday because I decided that I wanted to sleep in because your girl, remember I was telling you guys, I didn't feel good. So I went to sleep really early. Automatically, I didn't have to beg. I actually had to beg my body to fall asleep. I turned off my phone, keep closing my eyes until I fell asleep. And I did that. Now, I woke up at 6 o'clock, ready to go, going to the gym at 7:30. Can't wait to get it started. What else? So far, I've been having a little bit of views, so it's getting there. Please comment and let me know what you guys what I should do. Thank you. On my way to the gym already. It is 7:19 right now. I told my sister I was gonna get there at 7:30, so I am gonna be there on time. I am probably like 5 minutes away. Today I plan on doing some cardio. I know I said I wasn't gonna do cardio, but I don't know, I'm still scared to do the muscle works and stuff. But you'll see, I can record as long as it's just me. If I have other members around me, I'm not allowed to record. So I'll try to sneak you guys in there and record when it's just by myself in the gym, like in the area that hopefully there's not a lot of people. It is 7:30, so a lot of people are either leaving the gym or coming into the gym before work, because you know, I find it smart when people take showers at the gym, because it's like, okay, I can bring my stuff and take a shower here. But other than that, I'm almost there. Traffic is a little bit heavy, as you can see. Traffic's a little bit heavy right now because it's so this is what I got. I got some bread that was $2. Avocado was $5. This lettuce was $1.49. The carrots were $1. Everything right here. I got some cottage cheese, some ham, some fish. This chicken was on sale. I have to use it today. $2.68. Zucchini, some red potato, olive oil, got some milk, got a little variety here, kind of. Making some food.
I'll keep it right there so you can put it however you want to put it. Hey, what's that? The chicken? I sliced everything. You can fry it a little more. Okay. There's not a little bit.
I'll go for it. I just wanted one bread. Yes! Finally got my camera back working. It was dead. So now I have to go pick up my nephew because my aunt well, she's not really my aunt, but whoever she is to me, has to go to the gym, and she can't. Oh, my lantern. Sorry. She has to go to the gym, and I have to go pick him up now before 5 o'clock, and it's 4:52. So your girl's gonna be speeding Gonzalez. I'm gonna speed my booty over there. Hopefully I get there on time. I don't like the roads here at my hometown, because they're just like bumpy, like bump, 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 bump. They're never smooth riding. Alright, you guys, so I'll see you guys later. We ended up, I did say that on my other one. Okay, well, never mind. I just went home, relaxed for like 30 minutes, and now I have to go pick them up. Bye. Round 2. Work. Hey guys, what's up? What's good? So, your girl just finished my freaking, I worked out on my arms again today, and they hurt so bad. Well, my body aches, and I think it's because of that. Came home, changed. I am about to go back to my mom's, see what they're doing, see what they're up to. Hopefully they're doing something fun. But other than that, I am going to help my nephew for his homework, and that's it pretty much. Nothing else, nothing much to do. I'll vlog when I get to my mom's house, but I am not going to drive and vlog today. I'm just going to drive and enjoy the music, mess with my hair. I'll get back to you guys. It gets dark fast here, but I'll get back to you guys. I'll see you guys at my mom's house. Later, alligators.
Puppies that Monique has.
Who made them?
Her dog though.
Which dog?
I don't know. She has like 13.
I know, they have so many dogs. Look at the doggies. Oh, they're so adorable.
Give me my camera.
We ate pizza.
Guys.
Oh, look at the Latin Grammys is on.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We got some more pizza, guys.
Go for it. I think he has an 8. Este niño ya come como 4 pedazos.
¿Otro?
Sí, te dije. ¡Eh! 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 ¡Eh!
There you go, there you go.
Look at it. Guys, look at it. Watch this.
Hey.
So since I'm here at my mom's house, I'm going to try this peel off mask. It's really cool. 20 seconds. It comes out very gold, if you can see. Look at it. See how gold it comes out? I added some like more on this side, you can see. But I need more on my nose because I've been getting blackheads on my nose, so I need to do that. So it says leave it on for 30 minutes, and while I'll leave it on for 30 minutes, I am planning on going helping my nephew do his homework and stuff. I got some gold on my camera. So, I thought I was recording. Oh, my lantern. I thought I was recording you guys. I thought I was recording everything I was doing, but I was not. Not to do with the towel. I'm about to prank my mom, where you ask her like this challenge, like, hey mom, How long do you microwave a 25-pound turkey for? My mom doesn't have a phone. She broke it. So I'm going to call my sister. Just one of them. Hopefully they answer, and I'm going to do this prank on her. Let's see. So that sister didn't answer. I have one more to call. Hey, where are you at? Where are you at? Hey, what are you doing? Is my mom there? Is my mom there? Put it on speaker. I have a question for her. Mom. An area bought a turkey, but I was wondering how long do you microwave a 25-pound turkey for?
What?
Area bought a turkey, and we need to microwave it.
You need a microwave for what?
How long do you microwave a turkey for?
¿Qué me entiendes tú? Microwave it. ¿Por qué microwave, Olga?
Because the oven's not working, so we have to use a microwave.
El oven is not working.
Nuh-uh.
Pues cocínalo acá, Olga.
But we have the microwave right here.
¿Ya está cocinado o está crudo?
Está crudo.
Ah, you're so stupid. You cannot cook nothing on the oven. El microwave es para calentar. I'm sorry.
Who told you that? Let's see if they answer. They're not gonna answer me now, but that was funny. Hilarious! Hi guys, sorry, that was funny. So right now, I don't know what to eat. I'm so decided. I don't have much food. Let me see. It takes forever just to freaking, like, get that image. But I saw that chicken, so see my dang chicken. I still have the fish. But I don't know. Let me see. Chicken with, probably some zucchini. I'll probably do some of these. I'll do some of these. I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted and see what I decide to do, because your girl, she don't even know what she wants. So I ended up making the chicken with zucchini and some onion. I am planning on probably maybe adding some basil pesto to it. Which is cool. It says that you could add it to your veggies pretty much. That's not going to be for me. It's for my boyfriend. He doesn't like his chicken grilled like your girl does. So I boiled it and then I grilled it. And then he eats it however he wants to eat it. But other than that, that's what we're doing. I might add a side of avocado with lime and salt. And we'll see. Hey guys, so this is the finished product. I ended up using the tomato that I used this morning. Didn't get all that. I added pesto to this, but your girl didn't like it. It tastes like radish. Do not like it at all. But it's, yep, this is it. That is it. I did add salt, a little bit of salt to my food. That's a seasoning, you know what I mean? Because your girl likes that seasoning. I'm just gonna clean up my mess, pick up, and just, I don't know, I don't know if I want to watch TV here in the living room or in my room. I'll just watch it here and see how it goes. Hey guys, it's already 10 o'clock. Your girl's gonna relax. I'm gonna take a shower. That's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm calling it a night. So I'm saying goodnight right now. See you guys on my next vlog. Stay tuned. Hopefully my vlogs start getting interesting to you guys. I haven't really done a lot yet. Because, you know, I don't know. I'm looking for my charger. Can't find it. Alright, well. Thanks for watching. I found my charger. I am going to take a shower and go to bed. So see you guys later. Bye.